keep getting interrupted. So I don't know. Go ahead, like this, subscribe, get another notification. We are on Wellcraft 24. Restoring the transom. I went ahead and cut all my pieces. I've got my second layer of plywood in there. I'm gonna go ahead and screw those in just so I have everything dry fit. And then I'm gonna take all that out and put some bonding material behind the first wood. Go ahead and wet that wood with resin and squeeze that to it. I've got all my screws back here that go through to squeeze it to the fiberglass. Probably put in one or two within this range here, just to for good measure, I guess you could say. Then once that's done, I'm going to glass over the first layer here, flop that right over the side, the back rather. Then I'll squeeze the second layer to that, put some screws in. I'll fill in all these gaps wherever they are with a glass filler that I'll mix up, and then layer 4 layers of fiber on this and flop that over the first layer of fiber right around the back here too, which should give me the thickness all around that I need. And this thing, this is kind of a headache. This is the only spot where there's a gap like that. First, my inclination was to just fill this with wood the same way and to shave it off. I've already got to do that a little bit down here. It's really not too bad, but I really don't want to take off like a whole half an inch of wood. I hate grinding wood. It's worse than fiber, honestly, sticking to you and all that. In any case, my thought is what I might do is something I do with metal sometimes, is layer the fiber underneath a bit at a time, like give it like 2 inches, and let that dry, and then layer another layer in and another layer in that, just like that, until basically I can't stick my hand under there anymore. Then I can actually layer the fiber right to it. So I might actually do that before. No, I won't. I'll layer the fiber on here first and then build it up, and then I'll layer one sheet over the whole thing that meets this, and then I can build up. Drop my screwdriver. Then I can build up the whole 4 layers on the outside skin here. That is the plan, anyways. So I'm gonna get that rolling. I have a lot of material to mix up. If you got this far, I appreciate you watching. Go ahead, like the video, subscribe, and get notifications as these go on. Again, appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot.